Everyone, so in today's video we are making this delicious apricot toast. It's a recipe that I got from TikTok. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now to start off with, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Some creamy cheese that I got from M&S, some honey, any honey of your choice is fine, some butter, and some fresh apricots. And then you're gonna need some bread of your choice. I like this superseded bread from M&S. So first of all, I'm gonna cut my apricot in half just to make sure that it is nice and ripe. And yep, we do have it very nice and ripe. And just remove the seeds and remove anything else that I don't need on the apricot. So I'm just going to taste test just to make sure that it tastes nice and sweet. And yep, thumbs up, it does taste nice and sweet. So after slicing the apricots, I'm just going to put that to the side for the time being. And then I'm going to butter my bread on both sides and then cut it in half, ready to slightly toast it. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of butter in my pan, and I've also added the apricots, so I'm going to leave those to simmer real nice and slow. And then I'll drizzle some honey just to add a bit of taste and a little bit of syrup to the apricots. After simmering for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add some thyme just to season and taste. And then now I'm going to add the sliced bread to toast it in the remaining syrup of where the apricots were cooked. Now that the bread is nicely toasted and it's absorbed some of the apricot syrup, we are going to add cream cheese to the bread. And now we're just going to add the cooked apricots and also drizzle some of the leftover syrup from the pan. We have it, nice delicious apricot on toast. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check out my blog for more content. Thank you, bye.